So hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the tutorial, and in this part I'm going to show you how to make a pet system, and if you happen to want to see more, make sure to subscribe and hope you enjoy. Now, how we're going to do it is pretty simple. We already have like the pet store and stuff, so just make a new function called equip pet, player, pet, pet. So I'm going to define now a type. And I'm thinking, okay, I'm just going to make a new types, a new module, local types, return types. So, not sure if I need those. Honestly, I think you can just do export type and it's going to work just fine. But let's just do that for now. So, export type. So we're going to have ID of type string, name of the pet, string, type of the pet, string, XP number, damage number, and level number. That should be all we need. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's nice. So that's all we need. And now we can get auto types. Fire, shared types. Let me see now. Pet or not. It doesn't work that way, does it? No, it doesn't. I'm just going to leave it like this. And you need to see the module that you require, like this, and pet. Anyway, so we have a cube pet. Now, firstly, what we want to do is basically check if the player has a profile, like over here. Just copy and paste it. Then we have to check if player has pet. That would be great if he has it, but yeah. So if okay, pet found. Okay, I'm just going to stick to one variable style. So the profile data pets. Okay, let me just player pets like this. Maybe that's good. Player cubed pets. How did I call it? Cube pets like this with an underscore. I don't know why I do it, but yeah. So if player pets has a pet ID, then it's good. Then and not player. Cube pets pet ID, because that would be bad. And maybe we should player pet found. Then let's just do this real quick. So if it's like this, then we have pet cube. So pet cube is a init create signal. Let's just copy this 3 times. So pet and a cube. Okay. So pet on a cube and pet given. Let's just go this actually. Cube. So now we have data service client pet cubed fire all. We're going to fire all. So this fire all. Oh, fire. There should be fire all. I don't know why. So let's just say there is. Pretty sure there is. So fire all. The player cubed that pet. So like this. Else if not player pet. Okay, actually player pet found and player cubed pet ID. So that's if we have the if we try to cube the pet, but it's already cubed, we're going to unequip it. Okay, so just call this cube pet. Kind of misleading because the function is called equiped, but you know, it's fine. But Thank you. Did I have? No, I did not have. So there we go. That should be everything for that. No. What else we need to do is player profiles. Oh yeah, player profile. My bad. We have player actually player pet player equipment. My bad. Over here, let's start with this. Pet ID is equal to player pet found. Now we copy this, but over here we just call it new. That should be all. Like literally everything we need to do. Nothing more, nothing less. Let me just add a like space over here. Maybe space over here too. There we go. It looks more clean, I believe. I don't know. Let's add a function, add a service. Give pet. Why not? Player pet types pet. Okay. So it's also HTTP service. Service like this. Let's call it let's make a new function that's going to generate new IDs. Generate pet ID with this. Return HTTP service generate your ID with false. Wrapping curly braces, we don't want that, so we say false. Basically what it's going to do is make like random numbers. Like they're not really random, but something along these lines, but with like numbers and stuff. So there's a really small chance that they're going to duplicate it. Even if that's the case, they're most likely not going to be in the same game, so it should be fine. So pet ID, we could generate new pet ID. So oh yeah, firstly we have to check if the player has a profile, of course. And if it does, just do this. Player pets. I'm going to do pet ID. Let's put pet ID like this. Pet ID is equal to pet. We're going to send a signal again. Client. Pet given. Fire. Only fires to the player. And pet. That should be all. I mean, because you don't really need other players to know that you got a pet, you know. That's what I did last time for some reason. Like I had this genius idea that our players should know that you got a pet. Like you can do that, but not in this way. Like that's bad because in my last game, everyone had the same pet. Like they didn't have it, but they could see they have it, but yeah, they can't equip it. And it was doing some glitches I don't want to. And that's everything. That's everything for the server. So let's visualize it real quick, okay? Now, usually, I was wondering if I should use like another framework, like a GUI framework for Roblox, like Fusion, React. If you want a tutorial on that, I can probably make a tutorial on that too, but not for now. Let's just make a new solid GUI with a frame. Let's call it player inventory. Let's place it here actually, like this. So, bye. Okay. And this is not going to be the GUI, so don't panic if it looks bad. Now we're going to call it pet frame. So, now we're going to have a text button over here. We're going to call it pet template. We're going to add a UI grid layout like this. We cannot duplicate it and it should work. We can maybe lower this down. We can make it scale better, actually, because it's scaled. You can see it's too big. I'm just going to add UI padding to it. Like that's some cheat some of you guys don't know, so that's useful to know. 0.2. Bang. And it makes this Okay, looks alright. Now, that's all we need. We're going to add a local script to it. So like this, we're going to code in here. Yeah, I know, disgusting. You can make it in Visual Studio Code too, but it's kind of more hassle, and I don't feel like doing hassle right now. Profile service we don't need right now. Actually, no, we don't need a profile service right now. Types, sure, we don't need this. Server packages we don't need. HTTP service and player service we don't need. Okay, that's okay. I'm just going to actually use this. The player service. So, need requires package. Okay, so now we're going to repeat fast wait, which is basically creating an infinite loop until there's probably better way to do that, but to check if the player has loaded completely, you know, get tags. The first one should be loaded because we don't have any other tags added to the player, so it's the first one loaded. And if it's loaded, then you know it's all good. Also, what I want to do is add two boolean values over here. So one should be mid server started, and the other should be mid client started, like so. In the server over here, we can workspace mid server started value true, like this. And now for the client, we can do the same. Let me just copy this thing like this, but add controllers lib. Yeah, that's all. We don't need the server packages here. So, and over here should be knit client started, knit client started. There we go. That should be all. Over here, we need to get the data service using knit get service, like so. Oh, why do I have that on? Oh. So, data service, we named it data service, so that's how we got it. That's how we get it. Now, what I'm going to do first is local function pet added, and I'm going to do pet types pet like this. Local pet template script dot pet template. Oh, never added it. Oh, pet template long. So pet template name is equal to pet ID pet template dot text equal to pet type pet template. Parent should be script dot parent pet frame. That's all we're going to do for now. I'm going to make it the cube too, but yeah. So pet added. Firstly, what we're going to do is request the data. I'm thinking, but going to see. So for now, pet data service pet given connect pet added, like so. That should be all. Data service pet cubed connect. So function, there's a player and pet. So if player is equal to player service local player. Okay, I'm going to actually not going to indent it, return and make local pet frames, this pet frames, pet ID equal to pet template, pet frames, pet ID. Wait, I'm not getting proper. Oh, should be types pet ID. So oh yeah, background color 3 is equal to color 3 new 0 1 0, this, which is green, Okay, I don't know what I copied, but doesn't matter. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Pet uncubed, and we're going to make it what color? Oh, okay, it's dark, black. So uncubed, and that should be technically all. So when you join, you usually want to get the pets you have. So let's see. Usually, it should notify you with the pets like you have, but we're going to see if it works. Firstly, gonna make the pet GIF. I don't want this function. Like, I'm going to paste it like way down here because it's not something you want to have in your game, because you don't want to have a button that gives pet, you know? Pet, mouse button, click. What I've noticed, honestly, is that mouse button one click works on both mobile, like on phone, and PC. I don't know how it works, so I don't know. We're going to add a function over here. So we're going to add a client function, which is basically going to execute this on the server. Function data service client, my bad. Give pet. I'm going to add underscore client player pet types pet, and return data service give pet player pet, like so. So data service client, we don't need client. I'm going to use this give pet client, and yeah, that should be so ID is going to get created randomly. Name John, type doe, damage 1, XP 0, level 0. Yeah, that's everything. I guess oh I totally forgot. And workspace need client started in value, in workspace need server started value, like this. This basically. So I thought need would check if it's a controller or not, but I guess not. So yeah, that sucks. Anyways, requiring a module that is server only. So local service service name. We're going to get that by splitting the service name. Let me just call this just a folder. Split like this, and we're going to split service and get the first one. That is the service prefix, or basically data over here, like data. Yeah, that's all. Local controller module is equal to service find first child service name, and add that to controller like this. If not controller module, then return or continue, actually continue, which is going to just skip to the next iteration. Controller need add controller. Okay, so just require, we don't need that much. There we go. That's all we need to do. Oops. So see if it works. Oh my bad, I forgot to get the children. Wait, that sounds wrong. Bang. So there we go. Give pet. Okay, that's progress. We can actually see the pets appearing. That's nice. Now we're going to get the pets, and by that we just make a new function. Which okay, cool. So function data service get pets. We can do that with client, honestly. That's don't really need that, but we just get pets, return, player profiles, player, 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 pets, data, pets. That should be, oh, yeah. For the equipped pets, we can just do the get equipped pets and just equipped thing. So over here, what we're going to do is pretty simple. Data service. I'm gonna make sure that I do this here. Okay, so bang. So first things is get pets like this, and then because it's a promise and function pets, you're going to return the pets, and we're just going to mix it up. Yep. Pets. We don't really give. I don't know why we need to give pets. We don't need them. So for next, pets, just make a new loop, and pet added, pet v, which is pet actually, pet, and over here is pet ID if we need it, but I doubt. So that's all. And boom, it works. Now I just need to make it like equip the pet, like actually, and we're going to actually going to move it not here, over here. So this should be equip pet, equip it, and that's all. That's all we need, really. And over here we're going to add the template, mouse button click, connect function, and we're just going to equip it, equip pet, client, pet. Maybe we just need pet ID actually. Pet ID. We don't want to like send the entire thing. Don't need it. Thing, pet ID, thing. So, pet ID thing. Let's change this up real quick. Like how we use it for is to get the pet ID. So, you know. And over here we just get pet found. There we go. That's all we need. Pretty sure. Okay, it works. So yeah, maybe I should make it save the equipped pets. I mean, they save, but do something with it, you know. Let's see. Let's where is it? Okay, that's it. Now, yeah, we don't really need this. Like we saw it works. So this. For maybe next player data profile, data, but equipped pets, ever do, and that's pet ID, and pet, which is types pet, and over here is string. I'm not going to use the pet ID. Oh, actually, I'm going to use it. Now we have data service, equip it, there, pet ID. There we go. That should be everything we need. Boom. Let's test. Because in my last game, like in Meme Sim, I didn't actually have a save to the equip pets. That's kind of interesting. Pretty sure that's because I get that's way after. Well, technically it should be okay, but we can just wait for the player to be completely loaded and just count that, you know. Yeah, that's actually a way better idea. So we can just do this. Data service, get cube pets, and then function pets. Because they're technically a cube, but not exactly. So we can just actually. So yeah, actually it does what it does, but what happens is they get uncubed. So maybe before that we have to local pets cubed. Let's go like this. Oh, let's go to new. I mean, not new. Oh, delete it. This. Pet cubed. Bang. I guess we can just repeat. Let's wait. Oops. Let's wait until. But or we can just do. No, that should be it. Frames, but sometimes it might glitch, but doesn't really matter. Pet ID. Same over here, and we should be good to go. That's everything we need to do. Bam. Okay, works. So I think that's enough for today. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and like. And yeah, see you soon.